Remember, if you are given bad advice and you take it, that's on you, not them. In business, everything is your fault. Okay, so now I've got your attention. Let me try and keep it. You need to stop asking what to charge and start learning how to price. It is not the same thing. Scenario number one. You're just starting your business. You've got a couple of prospective customers. You are unsure what an acceptable price to charge is. So you make the fatal mistake. You go on a Facebook group and you ask there. You get 60 gazillion answers and only 3 of them are from professionals. The rest are from people who do not do it for a living and will not pay someone who does. Every Tom, Dick and Muggles is always going to want to give you an answer for this, and everyone is going to be different. Someone is going to tell you it should take 10 minutes. The other one is going to tell you it should take 10 days. Someone's going to tell you it should cost £1. The other one is going to tell you that they would only charge £1 million because that's what they're worth. They are all lying because none of them do the maths. You need to do your own maths. If you rely on them, you're going to take too long, you're not going to take long enough, you're going to charge too little, you're going to charge too much and lose customers. You are basing your success or lack thereof on people who do not do it for a living. You need to take responsibility for your own wins and losses. If you make a mistake, you need to feel that viscerally and you will not repeat it, I promise you, because we have all done it. All professionals have priced the job wrong and paid the price. When you feel that, and I mean you feel that in your core, you will never do it again. So just because you're detailing a car does not mean it is a detailing problem that you have. You have a business problem. So ask in the right places, or at the very least look in the right places. Business podcasts, business groups, business videos, whatever it may be, and they will tell you, they will give you a full walk down of how to price jobs properly. It doesn't matter if you are detailing, plumbing, electrical, selling burgers, buying companies, it's all irrelevant. The maths are the same. Only you know what it costs you, and only you know what you need to make. Everything is on you. Stop listening to other people. Please remember, I want you to win in business and I want you to win in life. So I'm going to say it louder one more time for the people at the back. Those people giving advice are doing it for the right reasons. But if you base your business model on their estimations and you fail, it's your fault. Take responsibility for your own actions. Take responsibility for your wins and losses. You will have way less losses than you will have wins.